Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful notch or tailored collar. First of all, I am going to draft its pattern on paper, and in my next video I am going to make a formal midi dress using these patterns. So let's quickly get started. So first of all, you need to make your body's pattern. Here I simply traced my front body's pattern onto this paper. Half of my shoulder 7 inches, half of my armhole 7.5 inches, shoulder drop of 1 inch, and neckline. Neck depth I choose 4 inches. You can choose according to your preference. Here you can decide the overlapping gap you want in your collar. So I want around 1.5 inches of overlap. So I took 1.5 inch. You can take 1 inch also, 2 inch also. So draw a straight line here. Now from here first mark your neckline in this line. So I'm taking around 8 inches deeper neckline here. So I'm marking 8 inch here. Now trace this exact point onto this line with the help of ruler and join this point with the shoulder line by giving a slanting line. Extend it more. Now extend this curve too with the help of ruler. And mark the width of your lower lapel. I'm marking here 1.5 inches, but you can take according to your preferred design. Now here you need to measure your back collar's width. So I'm making the back neckline here only because the shoulders are the same. So down half inch. Here I am going to give a simple round shape neckline in my back part. So just draw it like this. And then calculate your back neckline. Do it in centimeters for exact measurements. So it's around 3.5 inches. So from here I'm marking 3.5 inches upward onto this slanting line in this way, just extending this line. Now here you need to give a 90 degrees angle line. So just place your ruler like this onto this slanting line and extend here this line. So this is a 90 degrees angle. Now from this point you need to mark around 0.5 inches inside and extend this line. And just give a slight curve and connect this way. Don't make it too much pointy. Now on this line you need to measure the width of your collar. So I am giving here 3.5 inches wider width. You can choose according to your preferred design. Now here you need to give a slanting line, whatever you want, the difference of your lapel and the collar, you can give it here. The more slant you will give, the more wider the difference will be. So I'm giving like this, a slanting line. from this line. It is a little bit complicated design, so I am showing you the miniature version too, so that you will know what exactly we are doing. So this is what we are marking here, the lower width of our collar. So I'm taking here around 3.5 inches. You can take 4 or 5 if you want a bigger collar and the lapel. So take accordingly. Now just connect the dots by giving a slanting line like this. And now using this curved ruler, just join this point to this shoulder line. Now just to give you the exact vision, I'm remarking this collar. So I hope you understood this tutorial very well. If you still have any doubt, you can comment down below and I'll answer all your queries. By learning this simple notch collar drafting, you can make any patterns of notch collars or tailored collars of your choice. So this is the exact pattern. Now let's cut this out towards the shoulders and the armhole side. I'm cutting it and then towards the back collar. Now if you want to check how it will look after you cut on the fabric, then just place your ruler onto this slanting line and fold your fabric. Now here you can decide the lapel size according to the neck length. So as we had taken 4-inch neckline, so if you want a longer lapel, just take around 1 or 2 inches of neck depth, then you will get a longer lapel. And this is how our notch collar will look like after you cut on the fabric. Even if you feel it's not the design you wanted, then you can still correct it by decreasing the width of the collar or lower lapel. So once you are satisfied with the design, you can separate the collar piece. So this we are going to make separate collar from this pattern, and this is the front body's pattern. So we can trace it on the fabric. And in my next video, I'm going to make a midi dress inspired by these designs. So just let me know which design you like and what kind of pattern you want me to make in my next video. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.